Hello everyone, welcome back to Strawberry Labs, and today we'll be looking at how to implement single sign-on using Auth0 inside a Next.js application. So from our previous video, we already have an existing Next.js application with a login page, an admin page, and a user page. For implementing single sign-on, we will need at least two applications, and here we have a second application with a simple login page and protected route. To learn how to make a simple Next.js application with Auth0, you can check out our previous video. Let us jump right into it and look at how everything works together. As we have not signed in yet, both of these pages will take us to the login page. So now let us see what happens when we do log into one of them. We will log into application 2. And as you can see, after logging in, we access the protected route and we can log out if we choose to. Now here, we have not logged in yet in the first application, but we have logged in the second application. Let us see what happens when we press login. It doesn't take us to the login page and instead directly logs us in. This is how single sign-on works in Auth0. All you have to do is create another application under the same tenant inside Auth0. What happens is both the applications share the same list of users and the same universal login. So when you log into one of them, the other is also logged in for the same user. And that is how you implement single sign-on. Thanks for watching.